Sure, release it again, and then pull it down. You can let go, yep. Pull it there. And it'll come all the way down the block. Now pull it back up. Yep, wait 20. Yep. Just let it fly up. Yep, now you gotta click it again. Yep.
That's okay, thanks.
That's quite down.